Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated to the Tech Pod. Hey, what's up guys? Nokia 7 Plus is launched today ahead of Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. So in this video, I'll be sharing my opinion that should you go for Nokia 7 Plus in this price range and these key specifications, or should you go for other phones with some better specifications in this price range. So Nokia 7 Plus is launched today with Android 8.0 Oreo, and it is a Android 1 phone, which means it will run stock Android and you won't be having much customization. But speculated price in India is going to be between 33 and 34,000 rupees. So now let's move on to the specifications of this phone. First thing is display. They are giving 6-inch 18:9 IPS display packing a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels. They are claiming it to hit a peak of 500 nits brightness, which means that you will feel comfortable while using your phone even in the brightest sunlight. Now moving on to the processor, it is coming with Snapdragon 660 Octa-Core processor and with a combination of 4GB DDR4 RAM. So in this price range, other phones are giving way better RAM and processor than this one. Even the display quality, that is IPS display, Samsung is giving a Super AMOLED display just for 21,000, and they are giving IPS display even at 33 or 34,000 rupees. Now moving on to other specification, according to them, the key spec of this phone is the dual camera setup on the rear. So on the back you're getting a 12 megapixel camera with f1.7 and a 13 megapixel camera with f2.6. And on the front you're getting a 16 megapixel camera with f2. They claim it to be one of the best camera from Nokia with capability to capture some amazing details even in the low light. So let's see if these features really prove to be true. Next thing is that they are giving a 3800 mAh battery having a 19 hours of talk time. Even the battery is not much great in this price range. So after looking on these key specs of their phone, I don't think it would be a great deal, because if you're spending just a few more bucks, you're gonna get even the Google Pixel or OnePlus 5T with some amazing specification and a way better display than this phone. So from my opinion, it's not a great deal. Hope you like this video, and if you like this, then do subscribe to my channel.